Okay, Disney stock completely crumbling, which you love to see. So super bearish, way below this moving average. And then you can see after yesterday, completely took out this $85 zone and is now working its way down. And I think it's headed right down to about 75 bucks here. So I drew this out a little while ago, so we'll go over it and just see. I mean, I was looking at this back in the start of the month right here, I think. Yeah, so finally it broke this area, and it's most likely going to head lower. So let's just see the $75 mark. Oh, it's just based on the monthly range. The monthly range for this is about 15 bucks. So, but I guess it was a little bit higher. So, yeah, I don't think it's going to hit its full monthly range, but we'll see going into next month. I'd be looking to keep shorting this, but I would want it to pull up a little bit. Maybe pull back up and retest 85. Actually, we can put in I would put in a marker here at 85, just so we know. I mean, 85 was a huge price for Disney to break. So now that it broke it, most likely will function as resistance if it tries to come back up. When it tries to come back up, no interest in shorting this right now yet, because we just don't know for sure. Like when it's already moved quite a bit, so you want it to pull up and find some sort of area to retest. It is creating on the 1 hour, so it's not super significant because it is only the 1 hour, but it is creating a little bit of a zone here. So we'll see if it can break this. And then yeah, we'll most likely just see heading into next month. This is the end of the month here, this little line here. So we'll see what it does to finish off the month. And then obviously this week, very, very bullish, and it broke this zone, this 80, like it hasn't closed below $85 on a week in a long time. So now it finally did, and it's going to most likely just keep heading lower. If we check out this monthly, as this monthly closes, there's still 4 trading days left in the month after today, but yeah, super bearish month, took out all these previous lows. So we'll most likely come back and retest them next month, maybe test $85, $86, and then most likely head lower. And the target is 75 right now. You can see there's actually a zone on the monthly here that I would be considerate of. Probably move this range. I mean the monthly range for Disney is 15 bucks, but that might be adjusted after this month. So yeah, my first target is 75 bucks though. I think it's definitely, you see how much bearish momentum this has this month. You know, it retested 90 bucks like 3 times the last 3 months, could not break, and now is just heading lower. So 75 is the next target. You can see it's actually touching, I just noticed this is crazy, it's touching this monthly moving average. So it is, if it breaks this monthly moving average, which I think it will, it's officially as bearish as it gets. So way below on the weekly, way below on the daily, so below on the 4 hour. So I mean, Disney's pretty much as bearish as it gets. You can see I'd let it cross over this 5-minute moving average. So what'll happen is price will most likely come up a bit, cross over this moving average, and then when it crosses back below this moving average, so it needs to cross over once upwards and then back down to the downside, then you're probably looking at another short position, and that's when you would head to about 75 bucks. But that'll probably be a next month thing, and I'll have to relook at this, reevaluate how this closes in probably a few days, so maybe the end of the month, the very end of the month, beginning of next month, what Disney's looking like, and see if that $75 is still a good target, which I assume it will be, but we'll just see. Maybe if we get a good entry next month, early next month. I don't think we'll have one for the rest of this month. So but yeah, Disney is as bearish as it gets, so that's nice. That's one for the good guys, I would say. So I don't know, depends on your take on Disney, but I don't like them, so I'm happy to see this. I'd like to see this go to 0. I think the lower this goes and the less money they have and the more money they lose, the better the world gets. So that is Disney. So let me know if you guys want me to keep you posted on this, keep you updated. I'd like to hear your thoughts in the comments. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you in the next one.